Hey guys, it's Video Diaries number 15. Kunwari, nagsukulay pero hindi talaga. Nagpalit balat yung kamay ko kasi gawa ng sabon. TikTok doodle na naman. Anong ginagawa mo, be? Nakawala yung biik. Sunscreen is life, but tinapay is lifer. Ano daw? Naalala ko yung Video Diaries 1 natin. Tapos tingnan mo, Video Diaries 15 na tayo ngayon. Thank you guys for watching. Let's reach that 300 subscriber goal.